Hello guys, I am Manish Tokale. Today's video topic is a conditional statement. Then we see conditional statement. A conditional statement is a uh, that is a conditional statement. Conditional expressions and conditional constructs are programming language commands for handling decisions. Specifically, conditionals perform different computations, computations or actions depending on whether a programmer defined a boolean condition evaluate to true or false. In term of control flow, the decision is always achieved by selectively altering the control flow based on some condition. Conditional statement help you to make a decision based on certain conditions. These conditions are specified by a set of conditional statement having boolean expressions which are evaluated to a boolean values true or false. There are following types of a conditional statement in C. Then we see if statements, then if else statement, then nested if else statement, then if else if ladder, then switch statement, then we see if statement. The single if statement in C language is used to execute the code if a condition is true. It is also called as one way selection statement. So we can see syntax of if statement. If in the bracket expressions, then inside the bracket code to be executed. Then how if statement works. If statement's expression is evaluated to non-zero true, then if log statements are executed. Then if the expression is evaluated to 0 false, then control passes to the next statement following if else statement. The if else statement in the language is used to execute the code if condition is true or false. It is also called as two-way selection statement. So we see syntax. If expression, then open the curly bracket and take a statements. Then else, then curly braces open and take a methods. Then we see how if else statement works. If the expressions is evaluated to non-zero true, then if block statement are executed. Then if the expressions is evaluated to 0 false, then the else block statement are executed. Then we see nested if statement. The nested if else statement is used when a program requires more than one test expression. It is also called as a multi-way selection statement when a series of the decision are involved in a statement. We use if else statement is nested form. Then we see if else if ladder. The if statement is used to execute one code from multiple conditions. It is also called as multi-path decision statements. Then it is a chain of if else statement in which each if statement is associated with the else if statement, and last would be an else statement. Then we see switch statement. Then switch statement acts as a substitute for a long if else if ladder that is used to test a list of case. A switch statement contains one or more case labels which are tested against the switch expression. Then when the expression match to a case, then the associated statement with that case would be executed. The switch statement must be an integral type. Case labels must be contains. then case label must be unique, then case label must end with a column. The break statement transfers the control out of the switch statement. The break statement is optional. It's all about the conditional statements.